Hi children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. So children, today I will take third class English. So everyone take out your English textbook children. So last class already we learned 32 lesson writing a paragraph. Okay children? So now we learn 33 writing a letter. Writing a letter. Ready children? So 33 lesson. We write informal letter to relative, friends and people close to us. So children, we write the letter, informal letters to relatives, friends, people, everyone to write to me will letter children. Read this letter in which Aarti invites her friend Meenu to spend the winter vacation with her. So children, this letter Aarti invites to Meenu to spend with the winter vacation with her. So winter vacation to spend with Aarti. So is right. Aarti writes to her friend Meenu. See children. So everyone take out your class workbook. First you write 21C, comma West Khidwai Nagar. Okay children. So next New Delhi, 20 December 2017. Okay. So who is called Aarti calling for Meenu children? So Aarti writing letter here for Meenu. So dear Meenu, comma how are you? Question mark. Children, when you write the letter, question mark, full stop is compulsory children. Okay? Question mark. Has your winter vacation started? Question mark. Why don't you come and spend the vacations? Spend the vacations with me in Delhi. Question marks, exclamation marks. So have holidays from 25th to December to 15th January. Okay children, 15th January. So full stop. So next we can visit the Red Fort, the Kingdom Dreams, Kingdom of Dreams, and have picnic in Lodi Gardens. In Lodi Gardens. Full stop. Okay, children. So next, gardens. Full stop. So first you write, children, in your classwork book this much only. So I'll write more 3 lines is there. Okay. So dear Minu, how are you? Has your winter vacation started? Why don't you come and spend the vacations with me in Delhi? Question mark, exclamation mark. Have holidays from 25th to December to 15th January. We can visit the Red Fort, the Kingdom of Dreams, and a picnic in Lodi Gardens. Question mark. So 2 lines are there, children. Finish. Continue, children. You write continue. Gardens. After you write continue. Okay. So gardens. I also want to show you my doll house. Full stop. We can play together. Together, full stop. Together, full stop. Papa has also promised buy new cycle. Cycles, new bicycles for us. Full stop, children. So next, it would be lovely if you can come and stay with us. Okay, children? It will be such fun. Such fun. Give me regards to auntie and uncle. Give my regards to auntie and uncle. Okay, children, you are lovingly Aarti. So children, here Meenu writes, Aarti writes to Meenu to invite her Delhi to winter vacations. How are you? Has your winter vacation started? Why don't you come and spend the vacation with me Delhi? So Aarti writes to Meenu to your vacations started to come to spend 2 vacation with me in Delhi. Holidays from 25th to 15th January. We can visit, so we can both visit to Red Fort, Kingdom Dreams, have picnic in Lodi Gardens. I also want to show my doll house. So I will show my doll house. We can play together. So we will play together. Papa also promised to buy new cycle for us. So Papa also promised to new cycle, bicycle for new us. It would be lovely. You can come to stay with this earth. It will be such one. You would lovely if you can come to stay with me for holidays. So it will be such one. Give me regards to auntie uncle. So to give regards to give me auntie uncle. So you are lovingly Aarti. So write neatly in your class book, children, this letter. Okay. I also want to show you my doll house. We can play together. Papa has also promised my new bicycle for us. It would be lovely. You can come to stay with us. It will be fun. Such fun. Yes, children. It will be such fun. With regards. So here, children. Such fun. Okay. Finish, children. See, children, remember this point when you write a letter. So children, when you write the letter, so remember this point, children. Write your address on the top left side. When you write a letter, address on the top left side. Write the date just below your address on the left side. Write the date just below your address on the left. When you are writing to friend, aunt or uncle, bring the letter with the word dear. When you are writing the letter, so first you write the dear word. And the letter with word has a lovely friend, you are affectionately, and your dear friend. So write, and the letter you write, yours lovingly, your affectionately, and your dear friend. Lastly, write your name on the bottom left of the letter. Lastly, write at the bottom left on the letter your name. Okay, children? See, Shobha is writing a letter, invite her friend to attend her birthday party. Complete the letter. So, this is letter write in your textbook, children. The first letter, this one, Shobha is writing a letter, inviting her friend to attend her birthday party. Complete the letter. 56 Vinayak Conley. So write neatly in your textbook, children. Colony, Mumbai. 11th January 2017. So Shobha is writing letter, invite her friend. Who is Shobha friend, children, here? So write anyone your name, children. Okay? Dear. So first, when you are writing the letter, first you write dear. So dash. So your friend name. So I write here Kavita. So here write your friend name, children, here. So I am inviting you to attend my birthday is on March 5th. I am celebrating it at 8 o'clock at my home. Okay, children, at my home. I hope you will come. Full stop. I am also inviting Shubha and Asha. It will also be bouncy castle. It bouncy castle, full stop. We will play games and have fun together. Okay, children. So your friend Shobha. SHOBA Shobha. So write neatly in your textbook, children. I am inviting you to attend my birthday. My birthday is on March 5th. I am celebrating it at 8 o'clock at my home. I hope you will come. I am also inviting Preeti, Viva, Asha. It will be a bouncy castle. We will play games and have fun together. Okay, children? So your friend Shobha. Finish, children? Yes. So next, children, second poem. Mehak is writing a letter thanking Shobha for the invitation. Complete the letter. So Mehak is writing the letter thanking Shobha. Okay, children? Yes. So children, here Kavita, write here Mehak, children. Okay? You write here your friend name. Kavita, Mehak, anyone. Finish? Yes, children. So second poem. So Mehak is writing thanking Shobha for the invitation. So Shobha is invitation, Mehak, children, here birthday. So dear Kavita, you write Mehak. Okay. So is Shobha is thanking children. Mehak is thanking for Shobha. Okay. To reply this answer, 25th A, Juhi Colony, Mumbai. Okay, children, Mumbai. January 12th. So 11th January, Shobha is writing to Mehak letter. So Mehak is replying for Shobha. Okay, children. January 12th, 2017. Okay. So dear Shobha. Dear Shobha, thank you very much for the invitation. Thank you very much for the invitation. Full stop. I would definitely like to attend your birthday. Attend your birthday party. Okay, children. So birthday party on children on See children, da is there, so you don't write da. Okay? On March 5th. Okay, don't write here da children. Da is cut it. It would be fun to meet Preeti Vibha and Asta there I will be going on the bouncy castle. Okay children? 2. Thank you for having it on your birthday. So yours dash. What children here? Mehak. Mehak or Kavita, anyone. Okay? Mehak. So write neatly children. Dear Shobha, thank you very much for the invitation. I would definitely like to attend your birthday party on March 5th. It will be going to meet Preeti Vibha and Asta. There I will be going on the bouncy castle to exclamation marks. Thank you for having it on your birthday. So yours Mehak. So finish children. Yes. So children, the writing letter lesson is completed. So write Sakshi children in your textbook only. Okay. Sakshi. Children, page number 111. Page number 111 and page number 112. 112. Page number 111, page number 112, 3 and 4 and 5. Letter homework children. In your textbook, write in your textbook homework. In your textbook. Okay children, 3 letters is there. So write in your textbook only. This is your homework. Write textbook in your Sakshi children. Page number 113, third one. Page number 112, fourth one and fifth one. Letter homework write in your book. Write in your textbook children. Okay. So when your homework is completed, so when your textbook is completed, you take the photo and send me school email ID children. So I will check your textbook. So letter writing, how to write. Okay children? Okay? Yes. So we'll meet you next class children. So bye. Take care.